Today down on the family farm, we're going to change the sickle bearing on our Hesston 8200 swather. I've greased everything, got it all ready for this year's production. And then this bearing right here has gone completely out. Let's see if we can see the bottom. When I greased it this spring, grease fell right out of the bottom.
If you have the old rivet style, you'll need a hammer, I like a big one, and these punches to get the rivets out after you've ground them off with some kind of portable grinder.
So first we loosen these two with a ratchet, take them off. Then these two screws have well, they're actually bolts. They do unbolt from the back, so let's do that with a wrench. Now that that's unbolted, we can see just how bad this was. That ball joint just came right out of there. It's not supposed to do that. I broke the other end off one blade last year, so I have a new blade. I think I'm going to replace this. All I usually have to do is pull it right out of there. Might have to do it with a tractor, I don't know. Now, to get this out, we need to undo this bolt and count the rotations on this piece, because it has to be exactly in there the same to make it cut the same. Otherwise, you're might bang one way or the other. And there's the new 14-foot blade, all nice and shiny new teeth. This is the special end that's broken off from the other one, the other set of blades. A little WD-40 on the bolt, can't go wrong. Helps get these old rusty things out of here. No matter how you measure, the turns half or whole, but you've got to measure it to keep it the same. There's 2, 3.
Maiden voyage, broken new tooth, redo the whole thing.
And you can tell obviously which one is the new tooth. I'm going to have to grind these studs off because they stand way too tall. And one more time, we got a full set of teeth. And the last thing to do is to spin the belt manually by hand, making sure that there's nothing grabbing and it doesn't deadhead. Okay, down on the family farm, give us a like, and that's how we fix the swather.